Have you ever wondered what food from World of Warcraft tastes like? No? Well, I did. So today let's make Dragonbreath chili World of Warcraft. Let's start with the aromatics. Grab half an onion, 5 to 6 serrano peppers, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 dried chipotle pepper. In hindsight, I would recommend using canned chipotle peppers. Let's give our onion a quick dice and move on to the star of the show, the serranos. Slice your peppers into little coin-sized medallions, and remember to wash your hands after handling hot peppers. The original recipe called for Thai peppers, but my grocery store didn't have any. But if you want to put the dragon in Dragonbreath chili, then add a ghost pepper or 2. Garlic is optional, and the original recipe doesn't call for it. But my garlic was going bad and I didn't want it to go to waste. So slice and dice the garlic, then move on to the chipotle pepper. Cut the stem off, then give it a smell and a little kiss for good luck. And slice it into strips. Afterwards, dice the strips. I'm leaving the seeds in to add a little more heat, but you can de-seed it if you want by cutting it in half lengthwise to scoop the seeds out. Now let's go over our liquids. We'll need a bottle of beer, 6 ounces of tomato paste, 2 28-ounce cans of fire-roasted diced tomatoes, 2 cups of high-quality beef stock, and lastly, 2 15-ounce cans of chili beans. I'm going with 1 can of black beans and 1 can of kidney beans. For our spices, we'll need 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and optionally, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Let's get our meat situated. We'll be using 1 pound of ground pork, 1 pound of ground beef, and 1 pound of chuck steak cut into bite-sized strips. Sear your meat all around then, once it becomes beautiful and brown. Add a generous amount of tomato paste and massage it into your beef. Then add your liquids. Add your beer, beef stock, tomatoes, then wonder if it'll all fit in one pot, and take the chance. Add the beans and... guess not. And we're back. Grab a bigger pot if you have one and try not to spill any of your chili. Turn the stove onto medium-high. Center the pot, adjust your camera and your phone's camera, move the bowl out of the way, clean up the little mess you made, and bring the chili up to a boil. Then back it down to a gentle simmer for about 2 hours, or until the chuck steak strips are fork tender and the chili is thickened. Also remember to stir your chili occasionally to prevent the bottom from burning.